In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ticker in StreamYard. A ticker is that smooth, scrolling line of text you often see at the top or bottom of a broadcast. It's perfect for sharing brief updates, website URLs, reminders, or calls to action without interrupting your main content. Let's walk through how to set it up so it looks clean, professional, and easy to read. First, open StreamYard and log into your account. From your dashboard, enter the StreamYard Studio for the stream you're preparing. This can be your upcoming broadcast or a test studio so you can preview how things will look. Give the studio a moment to load your camera and mic, and make sure your layout is visible so you can see how the ticker will fit on screen. Next, look to the right side of the studio for the control panel. Find and click on Banners. This is where all your on-screen text elements live, including both static banners and moving tickers. If the panel looks crowded, don't worry. You can add, rename, and organize items here as you go. Now, let's create the ticker. Click Create a Banner. In the text field, type the message you want to display. Keep it concise and readable. Short phrases land better than long paragraphs. If you're listing multiple items, consider separating them with dashes or vertical bars so viewers can scan the line quickly. Avoid stuffing in too many links or complicated punctuation, and aim for clear, friendly wording. Below the text box, check the option labeled Scroll Across, Ticker. This is the switch that turns your static banner into a moving ticker. With this enabled, your message will glide horizontally on the screen as your stream runs. From here, customize how it appears. Choose the position, either at the top or bottom of your screen. Bottom placement is common for news-style updates, while top placement can help keep it away from lower thirds or captions. Then select the scroll speed, slow, normal, or fast. Slow is great for long messages or formal broadcasts, normal works for most use cases, and fast is best reserved for very short, high-impact notes. Keep readability in mind. If viewers can't finish the sentence before it loops, dial it back. When you're happy with the settings, click Add Banner. Your ticker is now saved inside the Banners tab, ready for your stream. As a best practice, stick to one clear message at a time. Use sentence case for easy reading, and test your layout against your background so the text stands out. That's all it takes to add a professional-looking ticker in StreamYard. Happy streaming!